Okay, by no means am I an electrician. Here's my circuit breaker, 120 amp, fuse box. Let me lift that up a little bit. I'll try again. By no means am I an electrician. I've just watched other people put theirs together and kind of following suit. So here's my fuse box, the Blue Sea fuse box. This is my 120 amp circuit breaker. This box is rated for 125 amps, so I got 120. I have my shore power wired into here, into this plug. I haven't opened ground because this box didn't come with a ground lug, so I got one on order. It'll be in today, so I can hook up the grounds, and then I won't have that. So right now I'm going to go from here, my circuit breaker, to my fuse box. I also use dialytic grease on some of the surfaces. Helps keep them from corroding and just makes me a little more confident that it's not going to corrode. So let's see what we got here. Got temporarily hook this one in. And put a little dialytic grease on it. Just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, just enough to coat the washer. Put that on. I'll put the nut on. I'm not left-handed, so this is taking a little longer. Just snug it up for now. Let's see if I've got a wrench that will fit that one. Yeah. Bring that one up into here. I think I'm going to have to drop this box down some more to keep this a little straighter. I made it a little too long so that the cover will go on, because the cover is got this little cutout. So I'm going to drop this down and I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I've pulled this circuit breaker down a little bit just to keep this straight so that now the cover will go on. This is just a preliminary layout because I've got an all-in-one unit coming. It should be here by the end of August. It has the charge controller if you've got solar, it has battery charger in it, automatic switchover. I'll put a picture of it and the descriptions of it in here and let you take a look at it. It's something new. It's been recommended by Do-It-Yourself Solar. This kid that does that, boy, he is super knowledgeable. So I'm going to get one of those, and it's up to 400 watts. So that should be enough to drive everything I have in here. I don't have that much. It's also got a AC in, AC out, automatically switches over, so that makes it nice. Alright, well, I'm going to button this up, run my cable down. It goes down through here and back down to the battery right below us here. And I've got my cables on the side here, which I'll quickly show you. Yeah, it's hard to see in there, but there's a ground cable coming up. And there's my battery. That's the one I had to make the battery box a little bit bigger. Eventually I'm going to take that out and have a much larger battery box put in, tie it all the way across the step here and the depth, and hopefully I can get 4 batteries in there when it's done. Eventually either Battleborn or something. Alright. The wiring's not super cool, but you know, it'll do. Alright. I'll check back in later. I have a new addition to the shuttle bus. This is for HD, my German Shedder. These bowls can move in and out and be completely in and out of the way. When he's finished his water or his dinner, you just move the bowls right back out of the way. Makes a major difference in the room I have in this small shuttle. Out of the way, out of sight, out of mind.